Greetings, Salesforce Maestros. Welcome to Commerce Harbor by Careerya, the podcast where we explore the orchestration of products, quotes, contracts, and the harmonious connections within Salesforce. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving into the commerce side of Salesforce. Get ready for real-world examples, implementation insights, interview-ready knowledge, and a quiz to elevate your Salesforce commerce mastery. Podcast episode, Commerce Symphony, unveiling products, quotes, contracts, and their harmonious ties in Salesforce. Next, let's embark on our journey by understanding the instrumental elements, products, quotes, and contracts. Segment 1, Symphony of Commerce, Products, Quotes, and Contracts in Salesforce. In the commerce landscape of Salesforce, products are like the musical notes, representing the offerings your business provides. Quotes are the compositions, reflecting the terms and pricing for those products. Contracts, akin to the conductor's baton, formalize the agreements and bring the symphony to life. Example 1. Imagine a scenario where your business sells software licenses as products. A quote could be a detailed proposal for a specific customer, outlining the quantity and pricing of the licenses. Once accepted, a contract formalizes the agreement, creating a harmonious connection between products, quotes, and contracts. Implementation insights. To implement this symphony, customize the product, quote, and contract objects in Salesforce. Define the necessary fields, establish relationships between them, and configure pricing rules and approval processes for quotes. Ensure that the transition from a quote to a contract is seamless, capturing critical details. Now, let's delve into the intricate relationships between products, quotes, and contracts. Segment 2, the Commerce Ballet, navigating relationships between products, quotes, and contracts. The relationships between products, quotes, and contracts are like a ballet, where each movement contributes to the overall performance. Understanding this dance is key to orchestrating a seamless commerce process. Example 2. Consider a product catalog featuring hardware items. When creating a quote for a customer, the products selected and their respective quantities and prices become integral components. As the quote evolves into a contract, the finalized terms are formalized, and the symphony of commerce reaches its crescendo. Implementation insights. To implement this ballet, ensure that relationships between products, quotes, and contracts are well defined. Leverage Salesforce's lookup and master detail relationship functionalities to establish connections. Customize page layouts and processes to streamline the creation and management of these entities. Next, moving on, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering products, quotes, and contracts. Interview insights, Salesforce Commerce Mastery questions. Question 1. How do you manage pricing variations for products in Salesforce? Answer 1. In Salesforce, pricing variations for products can be managed by configuring price books. Each price book can contain different prices for the same product, allowing businesses to offer tailored pricing to different customers. Question 2. What is the significance of the relationship between quotes and contracts in Salesforce Commerce? Answer 2. The relationship between quotes and contracts is crucial for ensuring a smooth transition from proposal to formal agreement. It allows businesses to streamline the negotiation and approval process, minimizing errors and delays. Question 3. Can you explain how Salesforce facilitates the creation of product bundles and quotes? Answer 3. Salesforce allows the creation of product bundles and quotes through the use of product rules. These rules define the criteria for bundling products together, simplifying the quoting process for complex offerings. Next. Now, let's challenge your Salesforce commerce mastery with a quiz. Quiz: elevate your Salesforce commerce mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of the product object in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. In Salesforce, the product object represents the offerings or items that a business sells. Question 2. How can Salesforce users manage pricing variations for products? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Salesforce users can manage pricing variations by configuring price books, each containing different prices for the same product. There you have it, a journey through the symphony and ballet of Salesforce commerce, exploring the realms of products, quotes, and contracts. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow maestros, and subscribe to Salesforce for more Salesforce commerce serenades.